Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to scan documents in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To scan documents, slide up, go to the camera application, then slide on the right here, and there is a scan here. So there is a scan, no document detected. Let's try with some text here. And as you see, our document is now up to go, so press and hit, and as you see, we can mono, enhance it, and original. Anyway, I have a black document. If you're gonna have white, it's been got much more contrast on it. You can save your document, and that's it about the scanning. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.